Good morning, hunters. So we are live for Wednesday. Let's get right to it. The market is reacting for Amazon. We have another breakout for Amazon for today around the 127. We're still holding this good trend. AI is still pumping pre-market. Let's go, guys. We got GameStop jumping 7%. The earnings today in after hours. Watch out. The squeeze start for GameStop. We have almost 7%. Great action for GameStop. We held perfectly. We have kind of fake out here around the 6th of June yesterday, and the price held and today pumped. And we're still holding GameStop trade. I think, yeah, we're still holding GameStop. We entered around the 25.50. So we'll see a continuation. AI, we're still holding 5% on this one. Price average is 36.24. Amazon, okay, we're still holding Amazon around the 120. So let's go, guys, let's go. The market is doing all right. Let me just check our stock screener for today. Good morning, John. Welcome. Dave, Kingston, Chris, Lab Design, Danny, Martin Apollo. Welcome, brother. We'll wait everybody to come until we then we can search for other stocks for today. Yes, yesterday we didn't have unicorn, and the day before we didn't have the unicorn. Maybe today will be the day, guys. Carlos, good morning. Horia, look, yeah, Lunar, we check it, we'll check it in a bit. Good idea, John Friedman. Yeah, good idea. We might do a pre-market live streaming later on to hunt before this kind of jump, because sometimes we have a jump in a pre-market and a breakout in a pre-market. GameStop almost 8%, getting near a breakout zone. Let me just check Lunar just for a few seconds. We got a request from Horia. Let me just go here. Yes, so Lunar is still not good action. We kind of bounce from the support, but I'm worried of this resistance here around the $9. We might get rejected. The resistance or the breakout zone should be around the $10.50 and $10. So we're a bit far for Lunar to squeeze. CJ, we got some question about this stock. CJET. Okay, so for this one, if we're gonna have something, we need to hold over the 5 and break the 7. So yeah, let me just put another level of resistance to break around the 6. So for this one, we need to break the $6.20. Let me just check how much we can do here. 20%, yeah, until the $7.75. So this one we might hunt for today if we held this support over the 5. Otherwise, not good. I will put it up there. Guys, FFIE jumped. FFIE jumped pretty nice yesterday. We have a breakout from this box. You see what's happened here? Great bounce and parabolic price action now toward the profit taken around the 43. Good trade for FFIE. Palantir breakout from the 15. SoFi continuation up. Microvision testing our resistance. If you remember, we already did the chart analysis update for Microvision, AI, and mini stocks. AI is still bumping 2%. And this one is the top gainer for today. FARM jumping almost 70%. I'm watching for this one to break the $3.45. GameStop, of course, $27.50. Okay, let's check our stock screener for today if we got something interesting. MOBQ. Jumping crazy, 74%. Wow, this one, yes. Wow, hitting every profit taken in pre-market. Look, we hit the first, the second, and now the third. So yeah, all the action happened for this one in the pre-market for MOBQ. Wow, this one mean business. We might have a great action for this one. Let's see where we're gonna go. Yeah, we might have the 50 cents. Huge jump for this one. Then we got FR or FARM. After that we got FRGT. Yeah, it's pulling back already. Yeah, it's not ready for today. We already got shorted. Light float. Yeah, we don't have action here. Maybe this one. But the chart is looking heavily manipulated. This one as well. And that one as well. Let me just check. Yeah, this one not for today. This one not for today. Maybe a few weeks later, but not today. Anyway, so we go back to our list. We got MOBQ, guys, looking juicy, 90%. Then we got FARM, then GameStop, AI, Microvision, SoFi, Palantir, FFIE. Those stocks we're watching on the market open. WAL maybe, yeah, looking good as well. Tesla, guys, getting near the resistance. Today we're gonna have a huge test for Tesla toward the 232. Watch out, guys. Either a break and entering a bullish trend or rejection. This is it for Tesla. Look at this. We have a great breakout back in 1st of June. Yeah, summer is really hot for the stock market, guys. The summer is really hot. Some of you said time to close position and go for vacation, but I think this summer will be a good summer to trade. Actually, it's not like the last summer. But Monster, good morning. Yes, FFIE looking pretty nice. Some of you said for MOBQ you have to wake up early. Yeah, you have to wake up early for those kind of trades. Let me just check when. Yeah. No, you don't have to wake up that early because the jump happened just here around 8 a.m. 8 a.m. if you live in America. Eastern time. So yeah, not that early. James, thank you for notifying everybody to hit the like button. Thank you, brother. Because yeah, I know many of traders go to live streaming and forget to like or even comment. They just watch. Some people just try to sneaking, you know, just watching and don't react. Amjad, this is always the case. There are always some kind of people like this, like introverted. They don't like to talk and they just want to watch. And some people like to talk, so they comment and they like and they do everything. And some people they don't want any interaction. They would like to be like a ghost, you know. They don't want to like, they don't want to comment, they don't want to do anything. So don't worry if you want to be a ghost. You can like and nobody can see you, you know. So the like is hidden. I can't see, even for me, I can't see who liked the video or dislike. So don't worry, okay? If you don't like our live streaming, dislike it. Do whatever you want. The most important thing is to do something. Take action. GameStop, guys. GameStop 8% and still kicking. Watch out, GameStop today is the earnings. We might have action for GameStop. That's why a lot of people buying GameStop before the earnings. Oh man, good one. Oh man, Gates, I don't know, I thought like you're a guy. So he said, or she said, she liked the video, but she can't actually comment because she did her nails. Okay, good excuse. Transformation. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Just make sure that your boss don't see you while you watching our live streaming. I don't want you to get fired, you know. It's not done. FARM, I think we have a pullback. This is normal because we have a huge pump. So the price have to reverse here. If we reverse here, would be good to have a kick from the $3.45. So we watch for a pullback. Either we wait until we have a pullback here, or wait until we break from this level. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge dip toward the $2.35. Huge dip. Let me just check how much we can dip here. 22%. But we'll be like almost 40% or 30% up still, because this stock is already did 60% now. MOBQ is much stronger because it tests our breakout zone before the market open, because we have just less than 14 minutes for the opening bell. GameStop, guys, GameStop getting near the 10%. The 2750 would be a huge test for GameStop. AI 2%. So those two stocks were already hunted for: AI, GameStop, and Amazon. Microvision, yeah, Microvision as well, looking pretty nice. We already did trade yesterday for Microvision, and we said there's a continuation. We did chart analysis update here for our hunters on Discord. We discussed Microvision and AI. After our live streaming, we always do chart analysis update here. So Microvision looking good, 30% yesterday. SoFi, fundamental change, huge fundamental change for SoFi, and technically looking good, and fundamentally as well. That's why we put it on our list with Palantir and FFIE, guys. Those stocks are strong for this week. Those stocks are strong. And this one we might trade because it's holding a new support over the $5.20. However, we have to break the $6.20, otherwise continuation down. Amazon, come on. Look at Amazon, guys. This swing trade need patience. We hunted for Amazon back there around the 1st of June. We have many breakout for this summer, guys, for Amazon, for Tesla, for many blue chip company. And see what's happened. We're still trending up toward the first profit taking, the 130. So from the 1st of June until the 130. This is will take 7 days, 8 days. Yeah, almost 8 days. Yeah, it took a lot to do at least. Let me just check how much gain. To do at least 7% gain. Yeah, I know it's slow, but 8% is good, guys. 8% for blue chip company, not bad, you know. But some of you got really frustrated when like you bought Amazon because yeah, you're still in gain, like almost 5% now, but when you're accustomed to have a huge gain, like 20%, 30% up or down, there's adrenaline, there is excitement. You lose this kind of feeling when you trade Amazon because yeah, low risk and low reward. But it's good to have a diversification, you know, not always trading high volatile stock, but mix it with swing trade, because I know some of you don't have high risk tolerance and ask about swing trade. That's why we did Amazon and we did Nvidia and many stocks. We're gonna do another swing trade for you guys for today or tomorrow before the end of trading session for this week for sure, to hunt for another swing trade, because last swing trade did here on our Discord was Amazon, and before that it was Nvidia, and before that it was DKNG. Upstart, we hunted Upstart back then, guys. It was really good hunt. We spotted this breakout zone, if you remember. I think we did this around the 22nd last month. We saw this breakout around the 26.17, and we said the profit taking should be the 36.30. And if we go here and see Upstart, look with me closely. Upstart did yesterday almost 10%. Upstart, where's Upstart? Let me just put it here, UBST, and see with me. Yesterday we did 10% and we had the 31.65. Yeah, 31.65, and we entered around the 26. So getting near the profit taken, the 36, guys. Now it's 31. We entered around the 26.17. So it was a really good trade from the last month for UBST. Let me just check how much we did already. 26. Yeah, we did 20% already. 20% on this trade. UBST is still pumping. Dave. Yes, I know you're a guy, brother. It's funny one. We got some question for Baba and H2 or HOTH. Okay, we're gonna check both of them for my elite hunters. Good morning, Samina. Good morning. Amjad, thank you, brother. Thank you for remind everybody to blast the like button. Yeah, it will cost you nothing, and it's like just not few seconds, but fraction of the second actually, to just press the like. Good question, Kaya. How to read the level 2 is kind of, we need the video for that, because when we trade here we don't have the time to do like educational video here on our live streaming, because we have to focus on trading, you know. But this is a really good question. We might do like a video special for that. Anyway, let me just check Baba very quick, and we gonna check the other one, HOTH. Where's HOTH? I think we take it for, yeah, we bought it up because it doesn't look good. Yeah, I don't like the trade this one anymore, because yeah, the trend is kind of chubby here. Anyway, let me just check Baba. Okay, we have a gap down. What's going on? I think we got some news for this. Yesterday I think we got a huge pump. Not that huge, but we got this pump almost 4%. Anyway, let me just check what's going on. We have to update the chart. It's looking really crazy here for Baba. Yeah, it's not looking good for Baba. Technically wise, it's kind of messy. Yeah, huge mess. We got the 93. Yeah, 93 should be a breakout. We have a resistance here on the 93. Bottom is 57. Support 74. Yeah, so 93 should be an important level to break. Let's go back because the market is about to open, guys, and watch MOBQ. If ARM GameStop is pulling back, yeah, because we're getting near this resistance. Okay, so this is normal. AI is pushing up 2%. Microvision 7%. Yes, Microvision is about to break. SoFi, Palantir. Decisions, guys. You have to decide which one you have to trade. When we have many stocks, either you diversify, you just take 3 stocks and you put small position for each of them, or you just choose one and go with it. If the price go and took your profit, just accept it, you know. Even sometimes when I choose one stock, this stock jump just 10% and the other jump 100%, I get like frustrated. It's like, why? I should have chosen the other one. It's like, it would be like in what if mode, you know. I hate this kind of word, what if, you know, or I should have, I could have, I would have. Just decide, take it, own it, you know. Whatever happened, just take it. And don't just say what if, because you can go back in time. Just take the decision right now and own it. This is the only recipe for happiness, you know. There is no happiness or happiness mode, because of course we are human. We are like up and down, but the best way is to accept everything, you know. Whatever happened, bad or good, you just accept it. And I believe there is I think this is my philosophy, I think. And like, whatever something happened to me, bad or good, there's some kind of lesson, you know. Especially if something bad happened to me, because usually something good, sometimes you don't go back and learn from your like good fortune, because you be happy and you don't even bother. If you make a lot of money, if you want something, you don't go back and try to see how you did it. You just forget about it. But if you did something wrong, this is how you think about it, as a lesson, you know, lesson or experience you have to learn. You have to be happy. When you get something wrong, you have to be ready and happy at the same time. To you tell yourself, this is time to learn, you know. Because sometimes we get like our ego inflated, you know. When we get everything right every time, we never learn. We have a plateau, you know, and this is not good. This is really not good. Anyway, we got 1 minute, guys. Let's get right to it. The market's about to open. Hit the likes button on the way on. Our live streaming is a bit delayed. Don't follow me blindly. Live trading or day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. And let's get right to it, guys. Boom. The market is about to open in few seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Wednesday market with Trading Jesus. Let's go, guys. Time to hunt. Who's ready to hunt with us? I'm ready. If you're ready, let's go. Let's jump. GameStop is pulling back. AI still holding. Microvision. Let's see which one will give us money for today. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, MOBQ is about to break, and let me just check. Yeah, test, pull back. If ARM is pushing up, GameStop is pulling back, AI is still holding. Okay, for AI I will be ready to take profit around the 41, and GameStop will be ready for a pullback. This is normal. We need to have a reversal now around this level. If we have a reversal over the 2570 would be good for a reversal, and then going toward the 2750. Amazon is about to break the 127.30. Let me just check PACW. Yeah, looking good. WAL pulling back. We have a bit of pullback, guys, for the market. A bit of pullback for all stocks because all of them are jumping before the market open. Okay, Microvision looking good now. We have kind of a breakout for Microvision. 11% again today. Man, Microvision mean business. Microvision mean business, guys. Microvision mean business. This stock is not stopping. 12% today, yesterday 30%. Okay, let me just open small position for Microvision, and let me just check. Okay, at $8.47. Let me just check, and let me just go to Amazon. Amazon 6% already. Perfect. Microvision is still pumping toward the $8.47. Amazon testing the resistance. MOBQ breaking out. Watch out, guys. MOBQ breaking out from the 30 cent, going for the 35 cents. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? We got crazy market. We got crazy market for today. We might have a good action for today. Let me just see what's gonna happen for today. Boom. Boom. MOBQ. And this one is going down. FARM. GameStop. Aha, GameStop is pulling back over the 2570. As we said, should be a bouncing area. Microvision is kind of pulling back. Huge pullback. Okay, guys, look at this. Microvision, this is always the case. We have a huge pump, then a pullback. So this is normal for this kind of stock. Look at this. We have the same reaction here. We have a huge pullback, almost 15%. Not a huge for Microvision. Then we actually pumped almost 60%. So this one we have to watch in the big picture, not in smaller picture, to confirm like a reversal or a pullback. So we have a mini chart here. We have to hold over the $7 to have a breakout toward the 830. So this is our support to hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pullback and a huge one toward the $5.87. So this is our support for Microvision. This is our profit taken if we pumped once again over the $8.74. Amazon still testing. MOBQ doing really all right. MOBQ doing all right toward the 35, going toward the 35 right now. GameStop as well doing all right. We might have a continuation. GameStop, let me just check GameStop. Yeah, we still have a position open for GameStop around the 2556. Yes, sir. MOBQ toward the 35 now. 35.27. Okay, MOBQ, guys, looking really good. Now our support is the 35, or no, the 30 cent actually. The 30 cents. And let me just lower this. This is our breakout zone, but our support is there around the 27. Okay, we have the 27 as the support. Profit taken is about to trigger right now, the 35. Okay. Okay, Microvision got shorted. Yeah, what a huge wick here. but it's still holding the support. FARM, huge pullback, so I'll wait until we have a reversal here. This is our support. Okay, Palantir is pumping, guys. Palantir is officially pumping. $34.58. Okay, the seller came around the 34, but we're still holding. Let's see. Okay, watch out, Luis. You should take profit if you really entered for MOBQ. Start to take profit, okay? Because we almost hit our profit taking here around the 35.27. We went until the 34.50. So this area is the resistance zone. And I think we did almost now 10%. Okay, if ARM start to reverse, let's see if we start to reverse. This is really good area to reverse from. Okay, Palantir, looking good. Yeah, MOBQ pulling back. Watch out, guys. If we broke the 2750, is not good. This means we're gonna have a continuation here toward the 2190. Watch out. We got near the profit taken. That's why we have a huge pullback. Watch out for the 2750. Should be our reversal zone. Otherwise, weakness, guys. This is first weakness. GameStop, we have a pullback. This is normal. We're gonna have huge action before the market close because today is the earnings. As we said, the 2750 should be the squeeze. AI is pulling back. Microvision is pulling back as well. We have a huge fake out here. Wow, huge fake out here. And this one started to reverse. FARM. Okay, CJET broke the support. Not good, guys. This one not good at all. For the regional bank, they're not ready yet, guys. We got near their resistance, but the price didn't break. Even for PACW, see? Near the 9, the price went down. We got some accumulation going on for Amazon. Okay, some accumulation here ready to pump. If we broke the 127.30. Okay, Palantir looking good. Let's watch Palantir for continuation. Let's drink some holy water. Today is a bit hot. You have to drink your water. I'm not advertising this water, it's for free, man. It's not a promotion. Even though I bought like some kind of rose water inside to make the water taste good. So sometimes I'm not thirsty, and I don't drink soft drink. So the only way to make me drink more water is to put rose water. And there is no like calories or sweeteners inside this, you know. So it's good to make the water taste good, at the same time make you drink more. Okay, MOBQ still holding. MOBQ, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna have a test for the 35? So for you guys who already entered, we suggest to take profit here. If you're still holding, just watch out for the 27.59 because this should be our support. Otherwise, we're gonna test our other supports around our EMA. Palantir is kicking. Palantir is kicking. Come on, we need the 17 for Palantir. Amazon pulling back. We have a bit of weakness for Amazon. If we broke this ascending channel, I will put alert here around the 127.50 for a breakout and going toward the 130. Palantir. New high. Palantir is kicking, guys. We got mini breakout here around the 1635. Okay, another buyer coming in. We need a new high around the 1667, and we don't want to break this level. It's 1650. Really tricky here. If we have a dip here, it would be tricky. You know, in the smaller picture, always we have fake outs, you know. This is the 1 minute short. Always have a fake out. Huge buyer gone. 1660, yeah. A new high now, 1667. We need a new high for this candle. Yes, 1667, great. 68, 69, great. Another pump. Looking beautiful now. Let's go, Palantir. 1677. We need the 1728. Okay, 1682. Come on. Another kick, 1681. We need 17. We need the $17. Okay, still kicking. Okay, we have support here, 1635. We held here. This is good, and we had another kick. Now there's another seller. If we break the 1680, we're gonna have another kick toward the 1781. So Palantir looking good, guys. Palantir. Amazon pulled back from the bottom. MOBQ reversed. Watch out. Yeah, fake out for microvision, guys. Fake out. We got a huge fake out here. However, in the big picture, we might have a pullback now toward the $5.85 or 87. So in the big picture, still normal that microvision have this pullback and fake out, because look at this. We have a huge pump, guys. Yesterday 30%. And today we have another kick. So this is not realistic. That's why we have a fake out here. Price broke the trend. Now we're gonna have a pullback, $5.87, continue to go higher. So this will be a good breakout or reversal zone for microvision. In the big picture, still looking good, and it's not bearish, because this is normal. We have a huge parabolic price up. So it's normal that we're gonna have a pullback like this. Still normal. Palantir still kicking, guys. Palantir, what a crazy stock for today. Microvision as well. We have a fake out, guys. No, microvision, we already talked about it. AI pulled back. GameStop pulled back. MOBQ, guys, pumping over our profit taken, because we held the 2750. This is great for MOBQ. Really great for MOBQ, guys. Louise, good hunt, Louise. Finally today, your wife not taking the kids. John, good advice. Yeah, lemon is really good. Guys, press the like button and the way in. We almost 100 likes. Thank you for the support. MOBQ, guys, we watching MOBQ and Palantir looking good for a continuation. Palantir, guys, Palantir still kicking. Palantir toward the 17. So we put Palantir down here because it's pumping, guys. It's not finished yet. Palantir looking good. Amazon, MOBQ, Palantir, GameStop, but I think we're gonna have action before the market close for today. AI is still holding. Microvision, we have a fake out around the $7.55 or 57. We might have a bounce right now over this AMA. If we didn't, we're gonna have a continuation toward the 5.87. But in big picture, still looking good. FFIE still looking good because we have a breakout from this box. And the regional bank like PACW and WAL, not for today, still low volume for today. Low volume. CVNA looking good. We're about to break the 1676. For Tesla, guys, Tesla looking crazy good. 4% for today. Palantir, guys, Palantir 9% and still kicking. This one is the runner for today. 9% now, 30%. That's why we put it second. Yeah, we need a pullback for Palantir, but if we didn't have pullback, it means we're gonna go directly toward the 1728. Our profit taken for Palantir. Great, great, great. We have a great day for Palantir. MOBQ, I think we're gonna have a pullback now. This is it. We should have a pullback here. This is where the short actually will short big time. This is it, guys. Otherwise, we're gonna have the 50 after that. But yeah, here we should have a pullback. Yeah, this is it. We should have a pullback now, then continue toward the 50. If this unicorn stock, we're gonna go toward the 50 cents. So MOBQ looking good, Palantir looking good, GameStop looking good for today as well. AI still, Microvision still looking at it. This one have a struggle to break the $3.45 and we got rejected before that. Is mean short still controlling and we might have a dip toward the $2.35. So FARM we might hunt here. I will wait. I'm not buying. Below the $3.45 I'm not buying, and here I will buy, and there if we broke I will buy, but not now. Not now. Yeah, I know it's frustrating, you know. It's frustrating. It's like waiting for a food to be cooked, you know. It's like you smell the smell of the food but you can't touch it, you can't taste it, you can't do anything until it will be cooked. And like you are sitting and you still waiting for the food to be cooked like 1 hour, 2 hours, and this is frustrating. So the reason for me when I cook, I have a solution for that. You know what I do? I put everything in on the stove and I cook my meal. Then I put it on light fire or I put it on small fire, and I leave it for almost 2 hours. I go to the gym. Then go back, everything's finished and cooked, and then I eat. I don't have the capacity that I wait for the food to be cooked in front of me, you know. So I found a solution, but not advisable. I already tested this many times when I was front of the stove, because if you do it without preparation and calculating how much heat and how much hours and how much water, you're gonna burn the stove and you burn your house. So don't do this. Don't try this at home. Guys, press the like button and the way in. We always do our live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET. And remember, guys, we always we have a special offer from Momo. If you already have an account with other broker, you can actually open an account with Momo just to get the free stocks and hunt for Google and Tesla, because Tesla one of them. And you can actually open an account with Momo, deposit whatever, 100 or 1,000. You buy Tesla, and guess what? You win free share of Tesla, and this will give you like a head start to swing trade Tesla or Amazon or Apple. And you can see here Tesla looking good and is about to break this level, so you can actually get your free stocks with Tesla with my special link. I will put it right now on the live chat section. And as well, you get free share of Tesla, and you swing trade Tesla because Tesla is about to break the $2, 232. This is a really good offer actually for Momo, and in this summer, okay, in this month. So use this opportunity, guys, and get your free share of Tesla or Amazon, whatever stock you want to hunt and swing trade. So I will put the link down there, guys. And this, like if you live in America, of course, it doesn't work if you live in Europe. So this is a special just for people who live in America. Okay. I know it's really frustrating. We don't have this kind of offer in Europe. We don't have this generosity. American people have really huge generosity, and not generosity, but competition, because there's many broker account, there's many chances or options for traders to choose. That's why they have more options than us in Europe. In Europe, we don't have this kind of generosity, like free shares or 5 shares even, or 15 shares. In Momo, 15 shares, not even one share. Look with me closely. You get 15, not even one. In Europe, you get 1 share. And here in Momo, you get 15. But this is only for United States, or for people who live in United States, or I think even Canada. So yeah, it's not available in Europe. Sorry, guys. But if we have other broker have this kind of the same offer, I will let you know, guys. But in meantime, if you live in United States or Canada, I think you can actually win those 15 free stocks. Okay, let me just check Palantir. Palantir is still pumping, guys, toward the 1728. What a crazy run, guys. What a crazy run. What a crazy run for Palantir. John, it doesn't work in Canada, I think. Okay, thank you, John, for clearing this up. Yeah, Dave, sorry for that. Sorry. I think just United States and maybe even Asia. Yeah, some countries in Asia, they can actually invest in Momo. So it's not just United States, but even in Asia, I think it's available. But yeah, this is the generosity of United States, man. If you live in the United States, there's a lot of options to make money, and yeah, with kind of broker like Momo, it's really good. Golden phase, yeah, MOBQ looking good. MOBQ is still looking good, guys. Yeah. But we need to have a confirmation if we're not gonna have a sell-off. The only support that I can see code in face, if we don't want to have a sell-off, is a bit far, you know, almost 20%. If you want to enter right now, you have to be willing to lose 20%. This is the support, is a bit far, I know. If we want to find another support, will be not that strong, okay? We might get fake out. It's like this support. There's another support, but we might get a fake out around the 32. So this is not strong support, but yeah, it gives us some signal that MOBQ getting shorted. But the strongest support that if we held, we're gonna have a continuation is the 27.50, and now the price getting near the 37 and then squeeze toward the 50. So MOBQ looking pretty nice, guys. Palantir pull back a bit. GameStop have a reversal. AIs accumulating down. Microvision still holding over this AMA. So Microvision is not over, guys. Microvision is not over, because if we held right now over here, $6.70, we might have this time a genuine break for the $7.57 and squeeze. Wow. Yes, guys, plus the like button and the way in. Remember, we always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET. Golden face. You just, you are like a bird, you know, taking scraps from people, just bread, like throw you bread and you just taking the bread. This is good strategy. Whoa, Palantir, guys, Palantir is going toward the profit taken 1728. What a run, man, what a crazy run. We have a jump from here, yeah, almost now the 1728. Yeah, a lot of short getting cut. A lot of short getting cut right now and covering their position, guys, for Palantir. Look at this. We have the first signal for covering up here around the 1565. It was this breakout. It happened in pre-market today and Wednesday. This is initiate the squeeze, guys, for Palantir. And from there, we have our squeeze. And now it's getting near our profit taken. As we said, the 1728, should be a profit taken and exit. And here we have a midway support over the 1635. So this is trade looking good for Palantir. And just wait for a reversal here. I expect a huge reversal will happen for Palantir. GameStop, yeah, still looking undecided right now. This is normal, guys, because we got after hours the earnings. The price in the pre-market or when market open got near this resistance. We didn't have enough volume because here there's a huge short still waiting to short GameStop. Guess what? The price went down, but the good reaction that we're still holding this current ascending channel. So I expect a huge like action for GameStop for today, guys, for today after hours, because after hours we'll have the earnings, and this will be it. Because if the earnings is good, we might have a huge pump, guys, huge pump for GameStop, almost 40%. Otherwise, boom, down. That's why the price is consolidating here sideways. I expect the price will consolidate here and close here, and after hours we're gonna have the action. Will be crazy. If it happened before the market closed and we're still trading here, will be it. It means the investors is still not decided on the direction of the market for GameStop, and they waiting for the earnings. And will be a kind of tricky trade to trade, because we don't know what's gonna happen for the earnings until you have the earnings will come out. And this is kind of gambling trade. I don't like this kind of trade, man. If you want to trade it, you can, but small position, because will be a huge move, man. This will be a huge move. Let me just check again. Yeah, still waiting here. We might see a consolidation zone, up and down here, up and down, up and down. And after hours, we might have our break. So GameStop is on a list for today. We'll see. Palantir still kicking. MOBQ finally pulling back. Finally pulling back. And yeah, we might have I'm waiting for a break for the 32 if we broke is mean down, going for this support. Wow, PACW finally breaking. PACW finally breaking, guys. We got something for PACW. We might have a great action for today, PACW. 6% now, going toward the 9. Something happening, guys. Something happening for the regional bank. Watch out. Something big happening. Let me just bring my support for this one around the 39. 41.18 should be a breakout zone for WAL. Let me just check. This one is pulling back time. Boom. SoFi. Okay, I'll put this one here, WAL. Wow, this one is not finished until it tests 17.28. See you tomorrow, Coding Face. See you tomorrow, brother. Jack, great question. Why 1728? 1728 is the hot spot where the short seller are actually cooking. They're cooking their food. Usually those hot spots will be tested before a huge rejection. And we might get rejected before it. So always when we have a profit taken or resistant, we might have a test before or during. So always take profit even before the profit taken. So yeah, the 1728 where the short actually heavily positioned. And we might even have a hidden seller here. So usually the volume is not noticeable. That's why I will be extremely careful to watch what's going to happen here if we have hidden seller. So yeah, 1728 is dangerous. MOBQ pulling back as well. If we broke this level, we're gonna have a dive toward the 27. Palantir still strong, guys. It's still strong. And now we have a pullback still. If we broke this level here, guys, we're gonna have a huge pullback here around the 1670. So if this candle close below this line, yeah, we're gonna have a huge pullback. Yeah, pullback time for Palantir. Wow, FARM is about to break the $3.45. Yeah, we have a breakout. FARM breakout. Yeah, we have a break. We have a break for MOBQ for support. Not good, not good. Palantir still pulling back. Okay, now this is a pullback. This is a bit of pullback because here we don't have a pullback. See? Continuation, and now it's really pulled back. If we broke the 1670, would be a pullback until the 1635. Yeah, this is it. This is mini support, will confirm everything. This level around the 1670. Now will be tested 1670. Yeah, here as we said 1728. We got rejected before that around the 1717, I think. Yeah, getting near, as we said, take profit here. This one I don't trust, guys. This one I don't trust. Really, I don't trust because we didn't have a test. We kind of reversed before our support. This is the first signal I don't like. Second one, we have a breakout and now going back. It's kind of tricky and manipulated. There's insiders playing this one. It was in the pre-market is good. In the pre-market was good trade, but now is not good. Yeah, Palantir is about to have a dip. A really good dip. Guys, press the like button and the win. We almost 100 likes. Just missing 6 people. Yes, John. Good hunt. Yeah, I agree. A lot of bag holders for FARM. John said fix is better. We'll check it, brother. Is fix 9 million. Yeah, we have kind of support around the 9, but a bit far for this support. Let us see if we got another support. Yeah, this one is kind of a bit expensive to trade. For my opinion, is a bit expensive. Around the $5. Yeah, we might go there. It's kind of testing a resistance now. Yeah, that's why we pulled back. Tricky, guys. This one's tricky, John. We did 30%. Support is kind of as well tricky. We have support, yeah, around the $4.59 for support. Resistance is around the $5.14. Yeah, so this is might be good. Yeah, 17%, not bad. 6%, yeah. If you want to enter here, there's a chance that you could lose 6% and you gain, let me just check how much you gain 22%. So you have risk to reward ratio is 4. Not bad. You risk 1 and you win 4. Not bad. Where's microvision? So microvision is still holding, guys, still holding our AMA over that $6.70. If we held it, we're gonna have another kick toward the $7.50. Still looking good. Yeah, kind of. We have so many or little support here over this AMA, but this is not strong support. Okay, if we broke it, is not confirmed yet, but yeah, $6.70 should be kind of support. Otherwise, we're gonna have a dip toward the $5.87. This is should be our support for today. Yeah, or even this week for microvision after this fake out. So we need to have a kick here, break the $5.57, going toward the $8.47. Yeah, finally this one is pulling back, but still holding over to the 1670. As we said, this is kind of support. 1670 is kind of support for Palantir. That's why we have a bit of hold up here. Let's check Tesla, guys. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla getting near the 232. Some of you ask about PayPal entry for swing. Good question. Wow, we have a kind of pullback for PayPal. Swing for PayPal. I will wait to swing this one. I will wait. Let me just check if we have bottom. Yeah, 55 maybe. Yeah, this one looking good for swing, guys. PayPal looking good. It's not good bullish, but good to have a discounted price, you know, to buy, because you see it's downtrending. So we might have a good price to enter for for PayPal. So we got the 122. We got some level to take profit if we really kicked. Yes, here 84, and we got two support, 55 and 44. Okay, so PayPal, I'll keep it here for swing trade, guys. Looking good. Thank you. Who's actually asked about PayPal? Dave, yeah. Thank you, Dave. MOBQ is still pulling back. Palantir, okay, yes, Palantir is pulled back big time from the 17. Yeah, the 17 was kind of exit strategy. Yeah, around this level, 1716. Then we have a huge pullback. Now the 1635 should be a reversal zone. GameStop, as we said, we wait until the market close because we got earnings. That's why the market is not decided yet. AI went back. Microvision, yeah, still holding the last support. Otherwise, we're gonna have the 5.87p ACW and WAL. We might have action for tomorrow for both of them, guys, because both of them getting near breakout zone. Look at this. WAL is getting near the 41.18. This is it. So FFIE hit profit taken 41 and went down. This one is a bit expensive to trade. And this one we already discussed it. We said the 5.14 is the resistant. This one not good for today. Too expensive. No volume. Okay. Wow. Top volume gainer for today is Palantir. Almost 56. Ahead of Tesla. Wow, what's going on with Ford, guys? Ford is doing alright. It's pumping from the bottom, the $10. So Ford, there's something changed fundamentally, I think. But we're still below the 1640. And Plug as well. Plug looking good. Plug looking good. Plug looking good. We have some kind of reversal from the bottom, but we're still below the 10. So I will watch for Plug for a trade if we broke the 10. Yeah, we might have a good trade, swing trade for Plug. As everybody knows, this stock is crazy. Jumped back in 2020. Look, we did almost 500%. Many people make money and then many people lost money. And yeah, we have bad earnings. Let me just check if we got earnings pretty soon. No, in August. Coming up in August. So something is changing for Plug. You know what I'm gonna do? I put it as well with the other stock that we said we're gonna check it, PayPal. Again, guys, if you want to hunt Tesla because it's about to break the 232, see with me. Really huge reversal. Okay, we have a breakout and it's about to break the 232. So if you want to trade Tesla or swing it, you can actually trade it and get free stocks, of course, on Momo, because here you can actually win free share of Tesla or Google or even Amazon, and not just Tesla and Google, but even AMC, other stocks. And there's 15 free stocks that you can win with my special link that I put on live chat section. And this is really good to swing trade. At the same time, you get head start to have a free share of Tesla. So as we said, Tesla is getting near the 232. So I'm watching closely because this is it. Breaking from this bearish trend and entering a bullish trend. And Tesla have a huge, great earnings, 4 great earnings and revenue, as the last earning was pretty nice. So we watch for Tesla because it's doing alright since few days now. Amazon broke the trend. Amazon broke the trend down. Ah, this is a weakness. But we still have this bottom support over the 122. And let me just check our stocks on MOBQ, still trending down. As we said, holding the 2750 is good for a power hour. This one is good. If we hold it, it means there's a power hour. Palantir, as we said, the 1635, if we hold it, it means we're gonna break the 1716. GameStop, game on for today after hours because we got earnings. Look guys, earnings coming up today after hours. So don't sleep, something gonna happen for GameStop because GameStop was sleeping the last few months. It's not sleeping but kind of crawling up slowly. And see with me, Wednesday the 7th of June after hours, after the market close, we got earnings for GameStop and the estimate is minus 0.15. So if we got minus 0.10 or better, this would be good. And even the estimate revenue is almost 1.343 billion. So let me just check the last earnings and how much the revenue for GameStop, if we have some earnings. So yeah, the estimate was 2 billion. So from now we see that the estimate from the analysts, the revenue is dropping from 2 billion to 1 billion. However, if we have more than 1 billion would be good. If we still have 2 billion for this earnings, this would be a game changer because now the estimate, they said 1.300 and here the estimate was 2.18 billion. So you see the analyst is thinking that GameStop revenue is dropping. However, if we got 2 billion, this would be a game changer and we might have a huge bump for GameStop for today. So I'm watching GameStop for today, guys. Whoa, you see what's happened? There's no action. There's no action because as we said, no decision here, guys. No decision. Still, we're waiting for the earnings. Gem, everything possible. And sometimes, Gem, we have bad earnings and the stock actually jumping. So it's not about just the earnings, but about the balance sheet. Because as everybody knows, the earnings, you have even the balance sheet and everything like the debt and everything. So the investors actually watch everything, not just the earnings and revenue, but this is the most important thing. But there's other criteria and variables that can make the price go up even if we have bad earnings or revenue. So it's not even just the earnings. Oh, next week is the CPI plus the FOMS or FOMC. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Rudy, yeah, we might test the $9 for PACW. PACW would be crazy if we broke the 9, man. We're gonna have a huge action, guys. Yes, Kingston. Yeah, thanks for a reminder about Ford because Ford is doing all right the last few weeks because, yeah, as we said, Kingston said that Ford announced it can use Tesla charger network. So this is really good news, actually, yeah, fundamental wise. Yes, Palantir. Time to go down. Time to go down. Yes, now guys, the market is pulling back pretty early for today. really pretty early. Microvision broke the support, so now it's going toward the 5.87. AI is pulling back toward our box. GameStop is pulling back as well. Palantir is pulling back as well toward the 16.35. MOBQ pulling back toward the 27 cent. PACW pulling back. WAL pulling back. So now we have a pullback for the market pretty early, guys. This is usually we get this pullback after almost 1 hour and a half, 2 hours when the market opened, you know. Today we got it just after 1 hour. 1 hour, and we have the shorts came in heavily for the stocks. Let me just check the SPY and the other stock like Tesla. Yeah, pulling back a bit. Palantir, Amazon pulling back. PACW, Mira, Shopify pulling back. UBST. See, we have a huge pullback, guys. Huge pullback. And this is not human, but a bot, guys. This is an AI buying and selling at the same seconds. So it's not me or you that kind of move the market, but this is hedge funds, guys. They have billions of dollars. They can move the market. That's why one push from their server, they actually can push the market down or up. And the funny part is, it's not one stock they buying. They buying by portfolio. They have like, let's say 100 stocks, and then when they sell or buy, they sell it at the same time or they buy at the same time. You see it's clearly that all the market is down, and you see like this drop, I don't know how much point, they can actually make million, you know, when they actually sell here or buy here at the same time. So they can actually make million or billion, even few move. So don't laugh when you see that the price actually go down and they sell. This is called momentum trading, and this has happened, I think, in the last few years after, I think, it getting popular, I think after 2005 or 2007, I think, or after the housing market, yeah. This is what triggered, not the housing market, but the flash crash, I think in 2010, yeah, the flash crash. This is actually triggered by momentum traders. So yeah, now is getting crazy crowded, guys, by bots and momentum traders. They open and they close the trade in few seconds and make millions, guys, millions. They don't joke here. So this is the behavior I can see now. You see here, Tesla down, Palantir down, Amazon down, PACW have right now the pullback, Mira down, Shopify down. So you see the picture, man. It's not one stock. Almost 90% of stocks is pulling back. Exactly, Jim. Exactly. Think of it as a jungle, man. Think of it as a jungle. You are stranded in jungle by yourself, and you have the lions and hyenas and everybody want to eat you. No, if you go to casino, it's kind of even worse because you can't do anything. Even if you play by luck, because each hand you throw the roulette, you can control the the variables, like by throwing something, you know, you don't control it. You can have variables, you can adjust it. But in trading, you could adjust little things to at least to take profit or exit early, or you can do some things consistently, and then you see what you did wrong and then you adjust. In trading or in casino, you can't, because the other variables is outside your control. Is the house who control the blackjack, or what number will show, because you throw is really hard to control. So yeah, you can actually compare casino by trading by this factor, you know, unless you don't have a strategy, enter blindly, you don't have exit, you don't have profit taking, you don't have a set of principles you follow. Of course, trading is casino, of course. Exactly, even worse, Jam. No card counting in roulette. What you mean, Sunray? That you should win a prize by being one on one? I don't understand what do you mean. Okay, so now we got this. Let me just check the market once again. MOBQ, man, is selling off, guys. First support, no buying pressure, no whatsoever. Not good, guys. Not good, not good, not good. The market is pushing back heavily on this one. So, you know what's gonna happen now? Continuation down toward the 21. Palantir, is about to test the 1635. GameStop is still holding. AI still holding. Microvision. PACW, yes, many of you asking if we're gonna hit the $9 for today. This is plausible. PACW looking good, guys. We might watch for this trade for today. This one should be a good trade for today, guys. We might have the $10. The 9 is getting near. Let me just check how much we can hit this price after just 4%, give or take. Yeah, we're missing 4%. $9, guys. $9. Finally, man. Look at this. Look at this. We took so many days. Huge pump, then dump. Huge pump, then dump, then pump. You see what's happened here? This is the trend. If you trade in a smaller picture, here you get cut with this selling pressure. You see? You get out with a huge loss. But if you trade it in a big picture, you don't care about this huge dump because you bought around this bottom. Let's say you don't buy here, you buy here around the bottom. You don't buy there. Let me just show you. You don't buy here because the price getting near the resistance, the 9. You buy around the new support, around the 6. So this is the idea. Those kind of stocks, you have different strategy. You can't trade them in small time frame because you're gonna be stopped out quickly. You have to step back and see the problem from big objective. You know, sometimes, as we said before, and even in your life, if you have big problem, you have to stay back. Because doing something, try to fix the problem without having a big objective about the problem or to find the solution. You can't find the solution in mid of storm, man. You can't. You be like, you want to survive, you know. So you have to stay back, don't do anything. Even if a storm, if you have a tornado, this is for a good example, guys. If you cut up in tornado, you know what you do? The best solution, don't tense, don't run, don't do anything, just relax your muscle. Even if the tornado came and throw you like even 200 meters, whatever, up and you get down, you never get any problem if you never been tense. You just relax. It's really hard. I know it's really freaking hard. But there's a story, I think I saw it in National Geographic. Someone caught up in the tornado. It's not sleeping, but he hit his head with the wall, I think. Then the tornado hit his house. The house was broken, and he was thrown away almost 20 miles. And he was thrown away in the sky, and he fall. And guess what? He wake up after the tornado, and of course, when the tornado hit, he hit his head, so he was relaxed. He was sleeping. And he when he's wake up, guess what? He don't have even a single bone broken. And the reason of that, the doctors tell him, If you tense, if you didn't hit your head beside the wall before the tornado hit, you be at least have a major like injury, like you have many bones broken, if you're lucky actually. If you're lucky, you see what's happened here. The idea is being relaxed, don't do anything in mid of storm can save your life. The same for stock market. If you have a big problem, major stock like this moving up and down, the best solution is don't react, don't trade, just go back and see in the big picture what's happening, then wait until the storm actually passes like this one, then enter after the storm, then ride the storm after that, you know. So this is the good strategy for PACW and many stocks like AI and the other stocks. And now this one is about to do crazy stuff, guys, near the 9. We'll watch this one later on. Thank you, brother. If you like my story, I will tell more story then. Story is good. We have a question here. Crani said, I did the Momo link, Jesus. I don't know what you mean. You mean, did you try to link or log on our link? If you have a problem, let me know. I will just resend the link for Momo. Great, Crani, great. Thank you, brother. John Friedman, he liked the sheet and the gazelle story. This is the best story, actually. Yeah, man. Like many of us get tense and agitated and kind of confused in many problem, like in situation, you know. The idea is never saying anything is even better. So sometimes people get angry and like say some word. They actually say, "Why I say that?" You know, and they kind of get, "What if I go back in time to take what I said?" You know. So the idea is never say anything, because when you're angry, you say really bad things for your family, for the loved ones, and it's really hard to take it back, man. It's really hard to take it back. Sometimes I want to say some hurtful things for someone, then I will hold myself. It's really hard. It's kind of discipline, you know, to hold yourself, to never say anything. Some people say that I don't have emotion. Man, I have emotion, but I control them. And this has saved me relationships, saved me problems, saved me a lot of things by saying nothing. And the next day, I just come and talk with them. And usually, the problem will be solved automatically, because when they get angry not at me, because they have other problem in their life, you know. So the same with people, you know. Sometimes some people get angry and want to talk and make problem. So the best solution is to do nothing. Don't say anything. Wait a second, we got some effort. What you said then? OMH. Oh man, we hunted this one before, but I don't know about hunting it right now. Let me just check. OMH. Yeah. Low volume, and you know, if you buy this one now, it's kind of you get trapped, you know, because low volume, there's no movement, high slippage. It's a bit risky, brother. It's really risky. Yeah, you can actually buy here because we are near the bottom, but it's not my strategy. We'll check Amjad. He asked about SVRE. Oh man, this one, yes. Not good, not good, not good, man. Not good at all. I don't like the trend at all. You have many fake outs. Now the volume is kind of getting lower once again. We have a huge manipulation down there. So for this one, if we're gonna have action, let me just check. No, not good, man. Not good, not good. Even this level is really bad. So we have really high level around the $2.50. Otherwise, I don't consider this one. $2.50 if we're gonna have action. Otherwise, easily manipulated down there. CVNA. Yes, let me just go to our growth stocks once again. We got Tesla pulling back. Palantir, what a crazy pullback, man. That's why we suggest always take profit around the 17. Now we have this support to hold the 1565. Amazon pulled back big time. PACW getting near the 9. Okay, so we have to watch out PACW, WAL, those two regional bank, and we have to watch GameStop because both of them or three of them getting near resistant, and especially for GameStop because we have earnings. So those stocks I have to put them on the watch list. And for chart analysis update, guys, remember we're gonna do chart analysis update after our live streaming because today will be crazy. I believe there is a power hour for today. Of course, power hour for our live streaming we should be around Friday, each Friday on our Patreon here, okay? And I think the first level for our Patreon sold out. The second one sold out today, guys. So we're already sold out for the second level. We have the king level available and the elite level. So here for those two levels, you have the access for one-on-one meeting with me, of course, for the elite 2 meeting, of course, and plus you have live alert. What does mean live alert? Is mean you have access to me after the finish live streaming. You can send me direct message on Patreon or Discord to ask about a new level for Discord. So this is the only level that you have access to me during the market open. The other levels you could actually send me a request or everything before the market open and pre-market, okay? And yeah, I will put the link down below. Let me just put the link for our Patreon if you want to join, of course, and have access to exclusive chart analysis update each day. MOBQ. What a huge selling pressure, brother. Whoa. This is really scary. Yeah, still continue to go down. No power hour. Maybe we might have power hour if we hold the 2190. I will see later on. I will update you guys. I will update you about those stocks like GameStop and AI, of course, because AI entered our box once again. Yeah, entered our box once again. And look, for AI, guys, this is crazy stocks, because usually when we have this uptrend, we always have this kind of pullback, huge pullback. Here, big pump, then huge pullback. You see here? Then huge pump, then huge selling pressure. And again, we have another pullback. So this is normal for AI. It's not normal, of course, if we broke this trend around the 29. So for this one as well, like PACW, we have to watch for the big picture for this stock as well. Watch out. Microvision, yes, it's still holding the $5. This one, yeah, I'm watching PACW, guys. This one, we should watch it closely with WAL, because both of them have the same reaction. Who buying PACW, buying WAL. Okay, both of them have kind of the same reaction, the same trend, because both of them are regional bank. They shorted together, they pump together. Guys, remember, we always do our live streaming each day around the 3 p.m. CET. We already hit our 103 likes. We can do more, guys. 110. Let's go. And if you came late today, and this is the first time you watch our live streaming, just remember that you can actually rewatch our live streaming, because we'll be uploaded automatically on our YouTube channel. And of course, if you're not enough and you want more, and you want to trade more and more signals, you can have them here on our Discord, because we always do chart analysis update, like when we did AI, when we did Palantir, Microvision, Top. You see here we did many stocks before. And of course, we did the swing trade like Nvidia. You see here we did the Upstart before around the 26. This is after the live streaming end, and we did it back in the last month, and Upstart did really good yesterday and the day before. So yeah, stay tuned for chart analysis update here on our Discord, and of course on our Patreon, because we always do our update here, both of them. So if you don't have Discord, you're not active, we're gonna update you guys on Patreon as well. And yeah, we're gonna do update tomorrow, the same day and the same hour, 3 p.m. CT for the live streaming, and before the market open on our Discord as well on Patreon. Okay, and the time being, as we said, we have to watch GameStop, because as we said, it's getting near a breakout zone 2750, and we got earnings after hours. So there is a drastic thing that's gonna happen after hours. So today we're gonna do update. If we have a breakout from the 2750 for profit taking, where you enter, where you exit for GameStop. And of course, not to mention PACW, the regional bank that's been trending up and it's getting near the squeeze area, the $9. So stay tuned for those updates after our live streaming. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you have a question, please send me here toward our business email, and how to join our Discord or Patreon, and how everything works. Okay, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Boom. Attila 2001 is really easy. How to join our Patreon or Discord. So once you join our Patreon, I will tell you how to link your Patreon to Discord. It's really simple. So Discord is kind of free once you join our Patreon. Okay, so it's linked. So it's really simple. Just sign up on our Patreon, choose whatever level you want, then you have access to Discord. If you can't link the Discord, I will send you the link how to link exactly your Patreon to Discord. It's really pretty simple. Cheers, Andy from New Zealand. I never been there. I have a friend from there. He said it's a really beautiful place. Thank you, Chris. We appreciate it, brother. Yeah, it's pumping, but it's kind of expensive, brother, for this one. Really expensive. We could have entered around the 10, but now it's kind of dangerous to enter. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous. We might go toward even the 20, but yeah, it will take time, but not today. The 1088 should be the support, but I will keep it. It look really beautiful. Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you for bringing this up. Attila 2001. Hopefully you saw the link because I just put it in the live chat section. You can actually go to our Patreon and join our exclusive or community of hunters. If you have a question, you can just send me an email. Amjad. It's kind of anybody living in New Zealand, Australia. I feel it like you are really far, like it's not far, but you are like at the edge of the world, you know? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.